Good morning students. In this video we will discuss computer aided electrical drawing 6th semester syllabus. Subject code is 18EE643, third year subject elective. Okay, so the name itself indicates computer added electrical drawings like machine drawing, single line diagram, electrical power supply system drawing, winding diagram. So if you want to plan any electrical installation or electrical wiring, you can use this computer aided electrical drawing. In our syllabus, for the university syllabus, only we are having single line diagram. For example, I can say, if suppose power supply is coming from Ballari thermal power plant or Raichur thermal power plant or Joga, example is power stations. Okay, from there we are supplying the power supply. I mean, we are transferring the power from there to your home or consumer side. So what are the safety equipments, what are the switching equipments, what are the electrical power supply components or power system components that we are designing by using computer aided electrical drawing, right? Even though not only that power supply system, whatever we are transferring from power station to consumer side, even though we are designing winding diagrams, right? Winding diagrams in the sense, for example, induction motor. I can take as a example 3-phase induction motor or single phase induction motor. Where we are using 3-phase induction motor, lift, cranes, hoist, elevators, there we are using 3-phase induction motor. And also where we are using a single phase induction motor in our home, so that fan, ceiling fan, that's a capacitor start, capacitor run induction motor. So similarly table fans and all, there we are using single phase induction motor. But inside the induction motor, what are the types of windings, what are the design they have following, that we are going to draw by using a computer aided electrical drawing. And also in this winding diagram, we are having DC winding and AC winding. Okay, in that DC winding, like lap winding is there, wave winding will be there. So how to maintain that power supply, or how to design, how to fix this one rings and all, and also equalizer connections and all. So we are going to discuss. And also if I go to assembly diagrams, like assembly in the sense transformer assembly, top view, front view. I think you might have visited the Karnataka Vidyut Karkhane. So last year, when you people are in 4th semester, we visited, right? As a industrial visit. Usually will be going in the month of May or June, right? So Kavika we visited there. How they'll design, how they'll winding is happening, how they'll maintain that tanks, oil and all. So we discussed. Similarly, top view, front view, elevation. If I cut the transformer, how exactly it looks, and if I see the transformer from the top, how exactly transformer will be looking for the person. So that also we will draw by using a computer aided electrical drawing. And also so many commands will be there. Commands in the sense like this software or whatever, computer aided electrical drawing. So not only electrical sketches, even though you can use for civil, mechanical, everything, right? And also next, if I go to DC machine or DC generator, AC generator, or there also we are having elevation, front elevation, top elevation, and left elevation, right elevation. So that also we are going to draw by using computer aided electrical drawing. Okay. So once again we'll name a computer aided electrical drawing as a CAD. So we are using AutoCAD 2012 or 2015 or 2017, or at present 2019 will be there. In our college, we are having a 2017 software. In that, we are having we have to do drawings. So this subject carries around 100 marks, 40 internal marks, 60 external marks. 60 as like a laboratory, not laboratory, it's like a VTU examination only, but at the time of laboratory examination we are going to conduct, right? Because the VTU people, they are providing question papers for this particular subject, same as first year solid edge or AutoCAD, right? See, electrical drawing, definitely, so we need to design by using software, single phase power supply system, single line diagram, and how the power supply coming from station to the consumer side, and also 2D design, 3D design of transformer and generator and alternator, and also electrical wiring system. Even though so most of the building construction planning, they are using this AutoCAD for civil also, and also for the electrical wiring system also they used to consider this AutoCAD as a software for planning the electrical wiring system. Okay, computer aided electrical drawing. Let's start the syllabus. Before getting into the syllabus, I'm going to give some outline concepts. I mean, what are the concepts we are going to study, or what are the concepts we are going to learn in this video. So introduction part of software and also AutoCAD software. So we are using 2017. You can use 2019 also. 2017 at present we are having updated version in our college, and also so most of the colleges they are having 2015, 2011 also, but in our college we are having 2017. Okay, so if you want to download cracked version, you can download, you can practice AutoCAD. It is available in the Google also. Please do download. Otherwise you can take help of YouTube, and then you can download, because so many of them they mentioned, I mean they made a video for downloading the AutoCAD software 2017, 2019, 2015. Okay, and next AutoCAD screen, what all the commands will be present, and what all the like tools are present, that we are going to discuss, and where to provide commands. So suppose the commands are absent, how to provide this one, how to install that one, that also we will see. And coordinate systems, same like horizontal coordinate system, vertical, everything, and some 2D command, 2D diagrams we used to do in our laboratory, not 3D, because 3D is not there. Only benefits of AutoCAD for planning purpose, for extension, for correction purpose, for accurate planning purpose. So we want a CAD, right? And AutoCAD as electrical. AutoCAD as electrical. Not only they mention only electrical, because in our syllabus we are going to discuss only electrical, not mechanical, not civil. Okay, even though automobile people also they are using AutoCAD. Details of AutoCAD and electrical also we'll discuss. Okay. So computer aided drawing drafting is a process preparing the drawing and object screen of the computer. So just we are preparing one object or one diagram in the computer screen. So different fields of engineering they are using. One is mechanical engineering, like drawing the machine components, layouts. I think if your friends in 7th semester or 8th semester, they used to do machine laboratory in the sense machine drawing. So there they may use this software. Okay, and the field of civil engineering, there also we want layout of buildings prepared for the preparing plans and all. So even so construction field. So if suppose somebody is constructing in nearby your home or nearby your surrounding, definitely they are having one civil engineer. Civil engineer used to keep on every time he will not carry, he will keep one drawing diagram, even though they'll distribute to this one clients also, and also the workers also. Okay, in all the fields of engineering, computer made drawing is then drafting in all the fields of engineering. Even though if you want to design a car chassis, if you want to design a car wheels and all, so we want a computer aided electrical drawing diagram or CAD, AutoCAD software tool for drawing purpose. So the use of CAD process provides the enhanced graphic capabilities which allows any design to conceptualize his ideas. I mean, will be taking help. I mean, like will be accepting the help from the AutoCAD. So conceptualize his ideas. So how exactly it is helpful for like giving your, I mean, like sharing your knowledge. Okay, conceptualize his ideas, modify the design very easily, and perform animations. Okay, you can perform animation also, make design calculation. So you can do calculation also here. Okay, so for example, I can say if suppose transformer core will be there, core width or core diameter they used to give, you have to calculate by using this AutoCAD. Use colors, fonts, other aesthetic features. So you can use any colors. You can, for the designing, you can use any colors. Okay. In modern CAD system, interactive two-ways computer graphics (ICG) is used. The ICG denotes user-oriented system in which the computer employee create, transform, display data from the picture or symbol. So the transferring the display data to picture. For that also we are using CAD. The image is constructed out basic geometric elements, points, lines, circle. So already you people done a laboratory by using solid edge lab in first year. So there is a line, points, isometric projection, like we have done, right? Same thing here also. It can be modified according to the demand of the designer, enlarged, reduced in size, moved another location on the screen, rotated, and the transformation also can be performed. Okay. And benefits of CAD. If I go benefits, 1 minute. Okay. Productivity in the drafting, productivity will be increasing. Instead of doing a rough sketch or any other software, so CAD is very much easy and also accurate. If you want to do by using paint in the computer, definitely that is like you may do mistakes, but here you cannot do mistakes because everything data will be available. Okay, shorter preparation time for drawing, shorter preparation time, we can learn easily. You can learn easily and you can do within less time. Reduced manpower requirement. If you want to draw a diagram without AutoCAD software, so it will be around required around 10 days. By using AutoCAD, you can do by 1 hour itself. Any diagram. If suppose 3-4 floor building wiring system or 4 floor wiring system, you can do within 1 hour. Okay. Customer modification in drawing are easier. Okay. You can do modification also. If suppose customer did not accept, so the customer wants to change the plan, you can change something like extra in a sense. For example, I can say if suppose lamp is present in the one room, so if they said the customer, you have to place lamp, fan, everything, and also lamp we need 2, 3, 4 points and all. So you have to change by using AutoCAD, and then you can submit that final copy to the contractors. Okay, more efficient operation in drafting. Efficient operation will be there. So efficient, I mean like very effective. Okay, very effective, very high efficient, and also I mean there is no errors because efficient in the sense losses will be less, and then time consumption will be less. If suppose time is consuming more in the sense so the workers will also needs more. I mean like so many cost will be increasing. If it is efficient, cost will be reducing, right? Low wastage in drawing. So wastage will not be there. If you want to use a paper and pen or pencil, whatever, so wastage is not there in this. Only time will be consuming if you want to change or modify or like take a final decision. Okay. Minimize transcription error in the drawing. Okay. Improve the accuracy of drawing. Assistance in preparation of documentation and better design can be evolved. Okay. And the CAD software is an interpreter or a translator which allows the user to perform specific type of application job related to CAD. Okay. So next class we will see this software's CAD. Okay.